Hey, today I am putting fender braces on 71 Demon, right about there exactly. Lightning McQueen back here. Awesome restoration job on this, but it's missing the front fender braces. So we'll put those on today. Let's go. Fender extensions missing on my 71 Demon 340 Tribute. You can see here. And the bumper bracket here. And it's missing. So what we have are the brackets from OER. So one side is threaded 1/4 20. You can see it's offset. Bumper bracket side for some adjustment. And on the bumper bracket side, the U-clip. And these 1/4 20 black phosphate with the washer on. There we go. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to first put the bumper bracket side on, then the fender, so I don't have a 12-inch lever on my fender and do something dumb and bend it. First step, just get the U-clip on the bumper bracket with the offset adjustable side of the arm. Get that threaded in. And then back here on the fender side, thread it in. So I'm just hand tight here. As you can see, if you want, you got some adjustment. I'm going to make sure mine are all the way out. We got a little bit bigger tires here. Give me some room. And just torque these down. There we go. Now my fender's tight, not flopping around.